Okay, in this screencast we're going to be looking at how to multiply a decimal with a single digit number. Alright, so one of the first things I like to do is to line up my decimals vertically so that it's a little bit easier for me to multiply. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. 14.24 times 4. Okay. Now it's important when you're multiplying decimals to count the decimal place values for each one of your numbers that you're going to be multiplying. So when I look at 14.24, I'm going to count how many decimals or how many digits come after my decimal. So if I take a look at 14.24, I have the digit 2 and I have the digit 4. So I have 2 digits that come after my decimal. So next to my number, I will put a small set of parentheses with the number 2 after it. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the number 4. If you take a look at the whole number 4, okay, we normally just write it as such. But technically, there is a decimal place value that comes after the 4. Now we don't normally write it in, okay? But in this case, we do need to count how many decimals or how many numbers come after the 4. So in this case, we have no numbers that come after our decimal, so I will go ahead and put a 0 there. Now, let's just go ahead and multiply our single digit to each of the place values, and then we can count up the total number of decimal place values that we have. Okay? 4 times 4 is equal to 16. I will carry the 1. 4 times 2 is equal to 8, plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay? 4 times 4 is equal to 16, again, and I carry the 1. 4 times 1 is equal to 4, plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay? Good. Now I go ahead and total up the total decimal place values that I have. So 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Now that I've multiplied my numbers, I need to go ahead and add in the decimal, okay, based on the number of decimal place values that I have. Again, so the decimal in this case is always at the beginning of the number, and then I will shift my decimal 2 spaces to the left. So 1, 2, and that is where I put my decimal. Okay? And again, so my final answer for 14.24 times 4 is equal to 56.96. Okay, I hope this helped you with multiplying a decimal and a single digit. Thank you for watching.